Hello, my friends. I want to share something truly transformative with you today. For 21 days, I embarked on a deeply personal self-care journey, one that reshaped my relationship with food and, more importantly, with myself. It wasn't about deprivation or chasing a number on a scale. My intention was to replace some of my usual meals with nutrient-dense smoothies and to incorporate a simple, yet powerful, morning ritual. This wasn't another diet to conquer, it was a gentle invitation to reset. My primary goal was never about weight loss, though that can be a lovely side effect. What I truly sought was a deeper sense of well-being. I longed to feel lighter, clearer in my thoughts, and genuinely stronger from the inside out. I was tired of feeling sluggish and constantly thinking about my next meal. This journey was about finding a different path. It was about shedding the burdens of inflammation, exhaustion, and that constant mental chatter around food. I wanted a true reset, a chance to reconnect with my body's innate wisdom. This wasn't about punishing myself, it was about nourishing myself back to balance. The heart of this 21-day journey revolved around two simple, yet profound, daily rituals. Each morning, before anything else, I started my day with a glass of vibrant green juice. This wasn't just any juice, it was a blend inspired by the wisdom of Ikaria, a Greek island renowned for its longevity. This morning elixir became my quiet moment, a gentle awakening for my system. It provided a clean, sustained energy that felt entirely different from the jitters of caffeine. There were no crashes, just a steady, calm vitality that carried me through the morning. Beyond the physical energy, this green juice instilled a profound sense of calm. It quieted those early morning cravings and set an incredibly positive tone for the entire day. It was a simple act of self-love that truly grounded me. Then, throughout the day, I incorporated 2 daily smoothies, one mid-morning and another in the afternoon. These weren't complicated concoctions, they were simple combinations of fruits, leafy greens, and a handful of seeds. The beauty was in their simplicity and how easily they digested. I chose ingredients that were gentle on my system, allowing my body to focus on healing and rejuvenation rather than heavy digestion. To keep things interesting and ensure a wide range of nutrients, I varied the recipes. Some days it was a simple berry and almond milk blend, rich in antioxidants. Other days, I opted for a tropical mix with spinach, offering a burst of vitamins and minerals. The key was consistency and listening to what my body felt like it needed. These smoothies became my nourishing anchors, providing sustained energy and satisfaction without feeling heavy. They were quick to prepare, making them perfect for my busy schedule. This approach allowed me to flood my body with essential nutrients without the usual digestive burden of solid meals. It truly felt like I was giving my system a much-needed break and a powerful boost. The changes I experienced during these 21 days were truly remarkable, and they began to unfold surprisingly quickly. By day 4, I noticed a significant shift. My stomach, which often felt bloated or uncomfortably full, was peaceful. I wasn't experiencing those nagging hunger pangs or the constant urge to snack. Instead, there was a quiet contentment. The sustained energy I mentioned earlier became a consistent companion, lasting throughout the entire day without any dips or slumps. As I moved into the second week, the changes became even more apparent and deeply felt. I started noticing that my clothes fit better, not necessarily because of dramatic weight loss, but because the inflammation I hadn't even realized I was carrying had begun to subside. My sleep deepened, becoming more restorative and peaceful. I woke up feeling genuinely refreshed, something that had been elusive for a long time. Perhaps one of the most delightful changes was the healthy glow my skin developed. It looked clearer and more vibrant. And that persistent brain fog, which had become an unwelcome part of my daily life, finally lifted. My thoughts felt sharper, my focus improved, and there was a newfound clarity that was incredibly liberating. It was as if a veil had been gently removed. This journey shifted my entire relationship with food. I moved away from obsessing over what I should or shouldn't eat, and the constant urge to snack diminished significantly. It wasn't about deprivation, it was about shedding burdens. I learned to truly listen to my body's subtle cues, understanding what it needed rather than what my mind thought it wanted. This reset helped me shed inflammation, release chronic exhaustion, and quiet the overthinking that often accompanied my eating habits. It was a profound liberation. By the end of those 21 days, I felt completely renewed. It wasn't just a physical transformation, it was a holistic alignment. My body and mind, which had often felt disconnected, were finally in sync. This plan truly nourished me, rather than punishing me. It felt like a gentle embrace for my entire system. The results extended far beyond the physical changes. There was a deep emotional alignment that settled within me. I felt more balanced, more centered, and more at peace. The most beautiful part is that this wasn't just a temporary fix. The morning juice ritual and the daily smoothies have become a consistent part of my life. They are now a daily practice, a testament to a plan that genuinely works and feels like a gift. This journey taught me the power of simple, consistent nourishment. It showed me that true well-being comes from listening to your body and providing it with what it truly needs to thrive. It's about building habits that support you, not restrict you. If you're tired of feeling tired, if you're seeking a deeper connection with your body, or if you simply want to experience what it feels like to feel lighter, clearer, and more energized, I wholeheartedly recommend exploring a similar path. Find a plan that nourishes you, that feels like a loving act of self-care, not a chore. This reset was a profound reminder that our bodies are incredible, and when we give them the right support, they have an amazing capacity to heal and thrive. It's about finding what truly serves your well-being, and for me, this journey was a revelation.